हेलो ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू वेल. सो टुडे आई हैव टू स्टार्ट माय न्यू यूट्यूब channel. This is the MACC company. So here you have to meet update about MACC. Every day new videos coming here. So please subscribe this video and this channel, like and support MACC person. So today I will show you, this is the MACC K block. This is the K block for foreman, group leader and laborers, Philippines and Pakistani Indians here living. Is enjoy here life, and I hope all of people is enjoy the life because MACC is very best and best company. I hope you have also a job is very great. So please support the MACC company person. This is your brother and sister. So my brother and sister, I make to you request, support me for a MACC. I have to start this YouTube channel.